In this video, I'll show you how to get a VPN on the Apple Safari browser. A lot of people try to install a VPN directly inside Safari, but Safari doesn't support its own VPN extensions. Instead, you install a VPN on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Before we start, NordVPN is by far the best option for Apple users because it's fast, secure, and works perfectly even in restricted regions. You can use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and follow along step by step with this tutorial. Once you've done that, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for NordVPN. Tap Download and wait for the installation to finish. After it's installed, open the app and log in or create your NordVPN account. The app interface is super simple and smooth. You'll see a clean map showing available locations and a quick connect button at the bottom. Tapping it will automatically connect you to the fastest and most stable server based on your location. Perfect if you just want instant protection with one tap. If you'd like more control, open the Servers tab at the bottom. NordVPN has over 8,490 ultra-fast servers covering 129 countries, so you'll easily find a connection that works best for you. NordVPN also includes some specialty servers for specific needs. The dedicated IP servers give you the same IP address every time you connect. Useful if you want a consistent connection for banking or business logins. The double VPN servers route your connection through two servers for extra encryption and privacy. If you're in a region with heavy censorship, use the obfuscated servers, which are designed to bypass VPN restrictions completely. You also have Onion over VPN servers that combine NordVPN's encryption with the Tor network for maximum anonymity, and peer-to-peer servers optimized for file sharing and torrenting. You can either pick servers directly from the map or browse them in a list format. Now, to adjust your preferences, go into the Settings tab. Here, you'll find VPN protocols like NordLynx, IKEv2, and OpenVPN UDP, or TCP. For most users, NordLynx is the best choice. It's fast, lightweight, and super reliable for streaming, browsing, and everyday use. Once everything is set and you are connected to a server, minimize the app, open Safari, and start browsing normally. If you want to confirm the VPN is working, just search "What is my IP" in Safari, and you'll see your new VPN location instead of your real one. And that's how you can use a VPN with the Apple Safari browser. NordVPN works extremely well on Apple devices, and don't forget to use the link in the description to try it out at a great price.